So I'm here in Dixon, California at the Dixon Motorcycle Swap Meet and Show. And I gotta tell you, this happens every year and could very well be one of the best kept secrets on the west coast of California. So let's take a look around.
The design Paul does that for dual club, but I originally was Bumatai lifters in here. Well, the Bumatai show and lifters don't have travel lifters. Yeah. 185 pounds of static pressure. Wow. And so I was going to throw it and put the compressor releases.
Oh, Vintage Dreams. Check it out.
I mean, I'm trying to get in the shot, you know?
It's expensive. I'm sitting on it. Ryan sees the footage later. I'm sitting on it.
How long did it take you to sand off that perfect paint and get this patina look?
You know what? I was actually just going to the chromer this week. Gonna get this whole thing chromed out.
Oh yeah, that's what I would do.
I'm gonna go back and sit down.
I just think things to do.
How are you, Andy Bumatai? Don't get up from Hawaii, just doing a little something for my TV show.
I used to live in Hawaii.
Is that right?
Yep.
Well, let me come over and talk to you about that if you don't mind. You all right with that?
2 years.
A lot of nice parts here. So you Andy Bumatai, how are you?
Steve White.
So you say you lived in Hawaii?
Yeah, I was lived at a place called Camp Smith.
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
Yeah.
Yes, in the military.
I was in the Marines then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How'd you like it there?
Well, I didn't have any money. I couldn't do anything. Get paid twice a month. I'd walk down the hill, catch a bus into Honolulu, which is 50 cents.
Yeah.
Go to the place called The Swamp, right on Waikiki.
Yeah, I know it. I know of it.
Yeah, and I'd have a meal, and I'd take a bus back, and I was done for 2 weeks.
Did you have a motorcycle at the time?
Oh hell no! I was a Lance Corporal in the Marine Corps. We couldn't even have motorcycles.
They wouldn't allow it?
No, it was too damn dangerous.
Yeah. And so when did you end up getting into motorcycles?
Golly, have to think about that. Probably 64, about when I went into Special Forces.
And these are all your parts here?
Well, there's several people involved here, but most of them, yeah.
Yeah, once you start collecting,
Hell yeah. Well,
is this your Indian here?
no, it belongs to a friend of mine, but it's a combination of bikes. But the two guys that built it, Roy Burke and Kenny Edmonston, they're in the Indian Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And it's got a specially made overhead valve head. That bike does 80.
What?
As it will go.
Wow.
Yep. And it's free. We have more beer than we need.
Jim, this is Steve White. How you doing? Vegas a couple of years ago, and man, I don't know what I was thinking. I let one go right by me. What was I thinking about?
Yeah.
Somebody got that one.
Some of them
the bike I just saw you on there, that's your wife.
Yes.
And you bought that bike for how long ago?
5 years ago in Alabama.
Okay.
Alabama. They shipped it to my house.
Oh, I see. And then what was the problem with the clutch?
It was too hard for her to pull in.
But they don't make easy clutches for Hummers.
No, I designed that clutch. I designed an easy clutch for her.
Oh, that's great. And is this the first time she's riding it right here?
Well, last year she went to ride it and it wouldn't start, and the carburetor it had a Tillotson. I don't like Tillotson carburetors, so I took a 48 slide carburetor and designed it on that Hummer so she can ride it and be able to ride it.
You know, yesterday when you spoke, you said there's a lot of people call Hummers that aren't really Hummers.
Correct. Hummers were 55 to 59 B model motors.
Okay.
125.
Yeah.
Anything before that or after that, they called all the lightweight bikes Hummers,
Yeah.
but they're not. And those bikes, the Harley Hummers from 55 to 59, were named after my wife's dad, Dean Hummer.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, and that's her brother, Keith.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
I thought I didn't know it was
That's
an
why
actual
that's
name.
why that's why that tank's signed by Dean Hummer.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay, so I'm brought by the livestock sign.
Ladies and gentlemen, look who I ran into.
What
The
up?
man himself, Max Shaft. How are you, man?
Nice to
That's
meet you.
great, man.
Right on, Andy.
Cool.
Yeah, my knuckle's right down there with the tent and sleeping bag on the back near the end of that black truck. It's a
Yeah.
little red.
Maybe I'll
tank
catch
on
you
it.
over there. We'll wrap a little
Okay.
bit.
See you,
Appreciate it.
Yeah, we're not raffling that off.
How you doing, man?
Good, good. How you doing?
I'm doing okay. I got a TV show in Hawaii, so I'll make you famous there for a second. Well, there you have it. The Dixon, California motorcycle swap meet and show. And you know, I forgot I was wearing my kick-only motorcycle shirt. I can't tell you how many times I heard, yeah, well, what about magnetos? I think they were laughing at my joke. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.